Anyways, I'm gonna hang this fan back up where it belongs, and yeah. What is it noise? Oh, that is that. Nothing to worry about it. It's the clip vibrating. And what is that noise? Brakes are not tight enough, I guess. These are not tight enough. I shouldn't over tighten at the same time, but now it should run perfectly. There, front leg strap. Apparently, this is mission accomplished. So yeah, works well. Anyways, there you have it, thanks for watching, and if you have a fan like this and it's making that noise, then guess what? All you have to do is oil the bearing instead of spending 55 Hong Kong dollars on a whole new one. So anyways, there you have it, thanks for watching. Anyways, here I am back with the oil. It's this Singer multi-purpose oil. All-purpose oil, I mean. Motors and appliances, that is what I need, apparently. This is the motor and this is an appliance, so yeah. I'm gonna see how well I can oil this. Did this do it? I hope it did. The thing with these fans, these little mini fans, that they're not really built to last. I mean they're pretty durable. They're pretty not really durable, but they're pretty. What's the word I'm looking for? They're pretty portable and versatile, but they just don't last. I'm gonna test it, give it a test run to see how it goes. So yeah, I'm gonna put this, before I reassemble this, I'm actually gonna put this little nut back where it should be. Oh. By the way, I pretty much messed up on the word durable. Probably don't really know what it means, but I just use it anyway because it's one of the words that came out of my head. But I'm guessing that durable means very sturdy. So yeah, the word I was looking for was versatile, I think, or portable. Oh. Apparently it is the wrong way around. Oh. Why does it darn ball keep this darn not keep falling out? Where is it? Screws are hard. Oh, there is it. There it is, apparently. Now it's starting to resemble the fan itself. Wait, I'm just gonna give it one more test from it, just to confirm that it actually works properly. Seems fine. Nice. And this looks so beautiful without the tape. I'm not gonna put the tape back. Just gonna make sure that this does not touch this. So anyways, works better. Yeah. Just make sure that this doesn't touch. So anyways, I'm gonna put this fan back on where it's supposed to be.